guys, so today we're gonna get the 240 tinted. Of course, this is a form slash function mod, I guess you could say. For me, function wise, I just want it to be darker inside because it does get hot in the cabin, especially with the sunroof. Like, sun literally just beats down on my head, and I don't want that during the summer. Function, again, part 2 is my dash is still uncracked, and same for all the door panels and all the leather inside. It's all intact. I don't want that to crack. Any way that I can prevent more heat or UV rays or whatever, I'll do it. So tint is coming. And then as far as the looks, I'm a big fan of S13s. I don't know, it's very specific, but I do like a red S13 hatch that has tinted windows, especially when the A-pillars and the mirrors are still black. Kind of just helps fill in like this translucent part of this large rear quarter glass, as well as the hatch, because there's already a black lining on it, and adding tint kind of helps just fill it in, and it just looks more like cohesive in my opinion. And on top of that too, if you've been following along with this car, there's a lot of like black accents that are deliberate. For example, I did have the carbon Kevlar garnish that goes right here in the middle, and I think that piece looks really cool. But specifically on an S13 that's red, I think black is the move. Another black accent is the stripe that I have on the side. It's a small little touch, but it's one of the things that makes my car mine, right? Even all the way down to just like having a blank black license plate frame, or even the little gaskets that came with the rear valences. I think it's just like, I don't know, there's obviously a theme. I'm gonna stick to it. The tint is gonna tie in with that theme, and it's gonna provide some benefits as for me as a passenger, and as far as keeping the interior components intact. So here's one last look of the S13 in fishbowl mode. All right, guys, it's been a couple of days. Tint reveal, check it out. I'm gonna cover the exhaust because it's been a few days, and since getting the tint, I got a new exhaust. That's gonna be the next video, but check it out. We got the 15%, 30% up front. There's a 50%. That's to help with the dash, the crackless dash. But yeah, I like the way it looks. Ties in with the here. Let me get in the sun. Ties in with the rest of the car pretty well. Looks super sick, especially from this angle. It actually makes the red just stand out even more. All these little details make me want to get some wheels and lower the car. All right, that's gonna be it for this quick little 240 update. More to come. If you own this car, what wheels would you get? And be specific. Like, if you were gonna get TEs, would you get some glass bronze ones, some black ones, gloss black, flat black, or would you get some 3-piece wheels, some chrome wheels? Let me know in the comments what you guys think would fit this car the best.